Welcome to this lesson on lipids, specifically fats and oils. Lipids are a fascinating class of biological molecules that play crucial roles in our bodies. Today, we'll explore how these nonpolar molecules function as the body's primary energy storage system. By the end of this video, you'll understand the structure, properties, and biological significance of lipids. Lipids are a diverse group of biological molecules that share one key characteristic. They are hydrophobic, meaning they don't dissolve well in water. Some lipids are completely hydrophobic, while others are amphipathic, having both water-loving and water-repelling parts. The defining feature of lipids is their largely nonpolar nature, which makes them water-insoluble. While their primary function is energy storage, lipids also serve as essential structural components of cell membranes throughout your body. Fatty acids are the fundamental building blocks of many lipids. Their structure consists of long hydrocarbon chains attached to a carboxyl group. The general formula can be represented as CH3, followed by a chain of CH2 groups, ending in COOH. This structure gives fatty acids unique properties. The long hydrocarbon tail is hydrophobic and nonpolar, while the carboxyl group at the end is hydrophilic and polar. This dual nature makes fatty acids amphipathic molecules. Fatty acids come in two main types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fatty acids contain no double bonds between their carbon atoms. This allows their chains to remain straight and pack tightly together, making them solid at room temperature. Common examples include butter and lard. Unsaturated fatty acids, on the other hand, contain one or more double bonds in their carbon chains. These double bonds create kinks in the chain, preventing tight packing and keeping them liquid at room temperature. Olive oil and fish oil are typical examples of unsaturated fats. Triglycerides are the most common form of lipid storage in your body. They are composed of two main components, one glycerol molecule and three fatty acid chains. Glycerol is a simple three-carbon alcohol that serves as the backbone. Three long hydrocarbon fatty acid chains attach to this glycerol backbone through chemical bonds. This structure makes triglycerides extremely efficient at storing energy in a compact form. While both fats and oils are types of triglycerides, they differ in their physical properties and sources. Fats are solid at room temperature and contain mostly saturated fatty acids. They typically come from animal sources. Oils, in contrast, are liquid at room temperature because they contain mostly unsaturated fatty acids. Oils are generally derived from plant sources. This difference in physical state directly relates to the molecular structure of their fatty acid chains. Phospholipids are specialized lipids that form the foundation of biological membranes. They are major components of cell membranes, where they arrange themselves into structures called bilayers. Phospholipids are amphipathic molecules, featuring a hydrophilic head group that loves water and hydrophobic tails that repel water. This unique structure allows phospholipids to create selective barriers around and within cells, controlling what substances can enter or exit. Steroids represent a different class of lipids with a distinctive structure, 4 fused carbon rings. Despite this different structure, steroids perform diverse and important biological functions. Cholesterol, for example, helps maintain membrane fluidity and serves as a precursor for making hormones. Testosterone functions as the primary male sex hormone, while estrogen serves as the primary female sex hormone. All of these steroids share the same basic 4-ring structure, but have different chemical groups attached. Lipids are incredibly efficient energy storage molecules. They store more than twice the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates. Specifically, lipids provide 9 kilocalories per gram, while carbohydrates only provide 4 kilocalories per gram. This makes lipids ideal for compact storage in adipose tissue, your body's fat cells. Lipids serve as long-term energy reserves that your body can tap into when needed, making them essential for survival during periods without food. Let's review the key concepts from this lesson. First, lipids are hydrophobic molecules that are essential for energy storage in living organisms. Second, Triglycerides, composed of glycerol and 3 fatty acids, are the main storage form of lipids. Third, saturated fats remain solid at room temperature, while unsaturated oils are liquid. Fourth, phospholipids form cell membranes, and steroids function as important hormones in the body. Finally, lipids provide more than twice the energy density of carbohydrates, making them the most efficient form of energy storage. Understanding these concepts is fundamental to grasping how your body stores and uses energy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.